Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel and I hope you are doing well. In this tutorial video, I will make the Grid Plus letter logo design. So let's start the video. Hold Shift and Alt key to make it bigger. And if you are new on my channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Press Ctrl C to copy this shape and press Ctrl F to paste in front, and hold Shift and Alt key to make it small. Hold Alt key and drag it to make a copy. Select the both by pressing the Shift key. Hold Alt key and drag it to make a copy. Select the points by Quick Selection tool. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification for my upcoming videos, as well as follow me on Instagram, TikTok and Facebook, and I will be right back with another amazing video.